Here's how you use IfItWereMyHome.com. You log into the site, and this is what it will look like. Not a whole lot of stuff, but you've got a big, long list of countries. What this does is this automatically compares different things about each one of these countries to the United States. So we're looking at different countries in Europe. So let's just pick, where's Albania? There we go. Let's pick Albania. So click on that. And I get these little bars here. And then generally the red bars would mean that this statistic is worse than in the United States, and the green bars would mean this statistic is better than the United States. So for example, in Albania, you would be 2 times more likely to be unemployed. So almost 3 times as likely to be unemployed if you lived in Albania as opposed to living in the United States. You would also make almost 80% less money, 79.73% less money. Now you can click on these bars and it'll bring up all sorts of information. This shows the GDP in Albania and the GDP in the United States, and clearly it's a lot different there. And then of course you've got the green bars, and so you would use less electricity, 87% less electricity, you'd consume less oil, you'd be way less likely to be in prison. So there's these different things here. So all this site really does is compare this country to the United States. You can compare different countries to one another besides the United States if you'd like to. If you look up here, it says compare Albania to other countries, so I can click on this right here, and now I'm going to compare Albania to some other place. So let's say Argentina, just for fun. And so this would be Albania to Argentina. We're not doing that. We're looking at Albania versus the United States, or whatever country you choose versus the United States. But if you're interested in one country as opposed to another that's not the United States, that's how you do it. So pretty simple site to use, pretty fascinating information, a lot of eye openers here. So enjoy.